Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your oil on a Toyota Corolla. This one I'm working on is 2018. So this is going to be a video of how to change your oil. It's going to be the same from 2014 come all the way up to 2019. So once your Corolla look like this, it's going to be the same procedure in changing changing the oil. So the oil it take is 020, as you can see right there. Go ahead and remove this right here. When you remove this, it just helps the oil to flow more easy. All right, so let's go ahead and raise the car up. Guys, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, support the channel if you want. So let's go ahead and raise the vehicle up. All right guys, so now the car is up, and I noticed this bring a different oil filter. I guess they changed it because the older style used to give a lot of trouble when taking off the cap, but nevertheless it's the same procedure. Only thing, it's a bit more step in the older one. But like you see right here, the older one, you would use this right here to take off the oil, to take off the cap and remove the oil filter on the inside. So I also have another video where I was doing it on a Camry. It's gonna be the same thing like that on the older Corollas, but I guess from 2019 and 18 they probably changed it to this right here. So this one is easy to use, but in case you come on in here and you see a different setup, you're just gonna need this tool right here and you will be okay. All right, so the next step is to get your drain pan right here. So I have my drain pan right there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and let the oil drain out, and also remove the filter also. All right, and everything I use in the description, there will be a link in the description for it as well. So as you see right here, I will have a link in the description for this in case your car have that. Maybe I will leave a picture or something like that to show you what I'm talking about, and I will leave a link in the description for the rest of the tool also. Alright guys, so for the drain plug, which is this right here, it's gonna be 14 millimeter. So 14 millimeter, take that off. So 14 millimeter, link will be in the description for that as well. Go ahead and lift this up. All right, so just let that drain. So this is what going on so far. The oil is draining. When that drains, go ahead and remove the filter. All right, guys, so let's get this in right here, the oil drain plug. Get that in, and we're going to need to tighten that to specs. And let's take out the oil filter. Some may bring a different filter. I'm going to put a picture up somewhere here of the older filter design, but it's going to be the same way how to take it off. When you take the cartridge off, you just swap the cartridge filter, and if you have a solid filter like this, you just take this off, put the other one on. All right, so I will leave a picture of what I'm talking about, but it's the same procedure so far. All right, the next step is to remove the filter. I will leave a link in the description for this also. There we go. We removed the oil filter, so let's make sure here is clean and make sure the rubber from the filter is not stuck onto here. All right. Alright guys, so you just want to just rub some oil around here to get it lube up, and then you put it onto the housing right here. So once you turn it and it make contact, alright, there you go, make contact, try to make a full turn. Alright, so 1 1/4 turn. If you can't make 1 1/4 turn, that's alright, but if you can, you just make 1 1/4, and that will help it out. That will make sure it's tight to the correct spec. That's about it. Go ahead and double check your work, make sure this is tight, which it is. Tighten it. If you don't have the torque spec, you can tighten it, but try not to over tighten it. All right, and that's right there. So what you can do also is brakes cleaner. Just spray this down a little bit just to clean any oil that got spilled over. Now we're gonna go ahead and lower the vehicle down. Alright guys, so you take 4.4 quart US quart. So remove this, put this right here, and add your oil. So try to add like 4 quart, and then you'll get back to check the levels and see where we at. So this is 5
on the side over here,
quart.
I'm ready for it
So
now.
I put 4 already.
Yeah, they changed up my cars yesterday, so I'm ready to take that over and bring that car. That's my tire.
Alright, so I put 4 point something.
Yeah.
So it's right here.
Right there? Okay.
Alright, so let's check the oil and make sure it's at the correct level. So you want to take this out, wipe it off, put it back in, take it out, and add some more. Alright, so go ahead and remove this one more time, wipe it off again. Look like we have enough, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on right here. Alright. Alright guys, so if you make any like little spill or anything, you can just get a rag and wipe it off. That's no big deal. I'll just wipe down the rest of the cover. It's a lot of dust under here. So next thing, we're going to go in the car and crank it up, and I'm also going to reset the oil light, our maintenance require light, while I'm at it. So I'm going to go ahead and start the car up and let it run, because let's see if I can dim the light. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, and so that's what we're gonna be resetting right there. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now is press this until it goes to trip A. So you just make sure it goes to trip A, and then you want to switch the key off and hold this down at the same time. Alright, let's see if we got it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the engine off. Put my finger right here, turn the ignition back on to reset the oil light. So press this until it goes to trip A. Then you want to hold it, then you turn the key off and turn it back on, and then you're gonna see this come up right here. It's resetting maintenance data, and then it's once that goes off, then you let this go, and that's it. It's reset. You can go ahead and cut it back off, crank it up, and that's it guys. So let's go back out, let's cut the car off, let the oil settle for a little bit, and go back out and check the level of the oil. Alright guys, so the next step is to remove this right here. Check your oil, you wipe it off and then put it back in, pull it out, check your oil, and make sure it's between here and here. So once it's here, it's good. So that's it guys, we don't need to add any more. Please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, help me help you, donate to the channel, support the channel. All right, peace out, see you next time.